our parts so they can finally be prepped and primed for what we're going to do to the entire car. I'm so excited. We're moving forward in the right direction, but my car, it sounds like a goddamn Subaru right now. I think when I deleted that EVAP, that shit definitely, you hear it? Car sounds like a goddamn Subaru, dog. I shouldn't be driving on it, but I'm not going too far and I'm very afraid. I got my Hyundai app open so I can check everything. I know I don't have my seatbelt on. My damn bolt keep coming out of the damn seatbelt thing. So if I put it on, it's gonna be actually useless. So that's why I'm driving with no seatbelt. I'm sorry. I know how that makes some of y'all feel, and trust me, I don't wanna drive nowhere without my seatbelt anymore either. But I gotta fix it when I either get to his place or something, or to my mom's. That was a nice ass Z32. I gotta text Javi and see if he deleted or unchecked the EVAP stuff, because my car should not be sounding like this. The idle's fine, AFR's is good and all, but like it's weird. It's weird. But hopefully we have a safe trip. AFRs are fine. It's just the car sounds like a damn Subaru. Just weird. Super weird. We made it to Chris's place. Got the bumper off. Now I gotta get the rear bumper off, which I should be able to get with my little screwdriver and a 5mm Allen key. So I don't know. Hopefully I can do it. I don't want to take the damn wheel out. That's too much work. But got the side skirts in here. You guys see me load up. And yeah. Just now leaving Chris's place. I got a check engine light and I checked the code, and it is indeed my EVAP. The car sounds like shit. I'm afraid something's gonna go bad and it's gonna mess up, but so far it's good. Driving back home now, and we'll talk about more about what I did and what I'm doing with the car, and yeah, bro. Yeah, pretty exciting stuff. This car is driving like shit. Finally back home from driving my Subaru Honda. Yeah.
Subaru Honda.
Yeah, my car sounds like a Subaru right now. We're back from Chris's. Chris Diaz Designs, name on the screen, is the homie. He's been doing stuff on my car, like paint stuff, like small things I need to get done. He helped put my carbon fiber vented bonnet on the Integra years ago. Get out. Homie, if anyone lives in the 772 area code, you want like a customized skateboard deck, maybe some small paint pull-up lean stuff, then hit up Chris. Link down below to his Instagram. It's the front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, front lip, and all that is getting primed, well, sanded, then primed, and then you guys know what's up. This has been every day. Rain, 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 rain.
Thank you for calling us. Can you hold one moment, please?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Okay, so after getting through to an associate over at Advance Auto, I am on my way to Advance Auto because they're the only one to have this part that I need in stock. So if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the story where I deleted my purge valve, whole little metal rail on the side of the head on my gear. 8th gens come equipped with a purge valve, evap canister, all that bullshit. I deleted the purge valve solenoid because like I wanted to clean up the engine bay a little bit. I didn't do no research. I just like, I don't need it. I got Hyundai now, so I just, you know, disabled it in Hyundai and I should be good, right? Wrong! I threw it away and I basically just threw away $50 because I have to go buy another one. It's like $54.99 for the little purge valve. I gotta plug the purge valve in, run the hoses from the firewall basically to the intake manifold again. So I gotta go buy that, vacuum hose, and I think a T fitting or something like that. I don't know, bro. It's just stupid. So upon doing more research, I've just now seen that I do not need to buy another sensor. Basically what I have, I should have showed you guys an engine bay. It's basically unbolted from the engine bay where like it's just venting straight into the engine bay. Well, I need to pull, well not pull, it needs to have a vacuum source for the excess gases. So I have to actually run it back to the throttle body, which I'm going to do. I cannot believe this. I'm just disappointed in myself. Shaking my head. Look at my girl, man. She got no butt and she ain't got no front, man. But I did manage to pick up everything I needed. This hose works. This is the biggest that they had. This is 5/16. I believe this hose is a 3/8. Camera had died, but yeah, I've just got to put on the hose. And I think I cut too little. Oh shit. Right from here, down there, through there. Now, this should be solid. I still have to do my brake booster. I just don't know what size hose this is, bruh. But let's start the car and let's see what happens. I also read online that you have to let the car like idle for like 10 minutes, like till it gets fully operating temp, and then hold it for like, I don't know, something like that. But let's see what's up. Hear how it sounds? It sounds like a Subaru, dog. So we go to check engine lights, because I know we have one up here. There's no knock count, which doesn't, I don't know, like, knock count's not there unless it's off for some reason. I gotta put it on my laptop. And now we have 455 and now 456. I'll clear them and they come right back up, but it doesn't make any sense because I just capped it off. I have no idea. That's so weird. Yeah, it was already disabled. That's crazy. Yeah, my gas is going fast as hell too. Holy hell. Yeah, this is something different, brother. The car was just idling for like 2 minutes and I lost all of my gas. So I go to the car. I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see if it do it on camera. That's crazy. Watch this. And it literally dies. That is the most weirdest thing. I don't know what's going on with my car. Which means that this car has to now go back in here. So I had to integrate on the stands because I didn't know what the heck was going on with it. I didn't find anything. I don't know, car is acting mad weird, but now I have to push it out, put the Civic back in here, and now figure out what the hell is going on with my Civic. Alright, so I got the car in the garage on the quick jacks, downloading the new beta version of Flash Pro, and now I have 3 codes now. 3. It went from 1 to now 3. P0455, 456, and 0507. All have to do with this goddamn EVAP thing, man. I don't know what the issue is. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know anymore. I don't know what's going on. Oh, that's pretty cool. It shows you like the upload thing. I didn't know that idle. Well, the idle, but the tachometer is like going up there. That's pretty cool. But I don't know what's going on with the car. I got 3 codes now. It's all due to EVAP. My car sounds like a Subaru. I don't know what the hell is going on. I have. Babe said it sounded like a truck. I have no check engine lights for misfires, nothing. This makes literally no sense. So I'm gonna go to start the car now. I uploaded the tune, well, the map back. And let's see, service oil. And it still sounds like a truck. don't know why it sounded like this. Something is wrong though. So let me break this down to you what all happened. The car would drive fine, right? Then we decided to throw a clutch in it, motor mounts, rigid collars. That's it. That's all we did. Oh, I also deleted the purge valves, the solenoid on the side of the motor, right? I did all of that, and ever since then I've been having issues. But I contacted my tuner. It's actually disabled in Flash Pro, so I shouldn't have had a code for EVAP anyway. All I did was vent off the gases that goes from the fuel tank back to the front. All I did was have it vent in the atmosphere, but somehow I'm having EVAP codes. Why? Is there something else not plugged in? I don't understand how I'm having EVAP codes if everything is disabled. I go to remove the fuel cap, the car completely shuts off. I'm not sure if that's normal. I don't know. I have no idea. So I don't know what to even check. I don't know where to go from here. Hopefully you guys can help me out. I have no idea what to do. I've been on the 8th Gen Civic forums trying to find like special keywords I'm typing in to figure out any type of advice or some people who've had this issue. But I don't know. I guess it's just maybe just my luck. I have no idea what's going on. I need to figure this out because I need to drive my car. Let me know what you think down below what the issue could be. If you want to see more of my face and what's not, I do have a gaming channel where I'm uploading GT7 content, so link down below to that channel. And just let me know if you guys can help me out, what you think it is, what should I do from here. I do smell gas, so I'm thinking maybe there's something backed up in the canister itself. I have to check that myself. I don't know. I gotta figure out what the hell's going on with this thing. So keep me posted. I'll keep you guys posted. And yeah, thank you guys for watching me. If you like me struggling and all that bullshit, leave a like on the video. It's greatly appreciated. It helps grow the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.